did this pesky leprechaun do this time? What did he do this year, Maggie? Look at the mess he made. That leprechaun, he made a big, big mess. He even made a mess in the playroom. Oh no, that was you guys. See Lily's decorations. Dada's coming. Say Lily. Lily. Can I help you, Patrick? Where are you going with your chair? Where are you going? You bringing it out there? Huh? Lily? That's a good place to sit. Oh, and here comes Maggie with hers. You gonna go sit there with Patrick? Oh, you're bringing it in here? Sorry, I'm in your way. Okay. Where's Lily? Oh, you got a monkey see, monkey do. You gotta do what Maggie does. Dada's up there. We'll bend around the streamers. Lily!